All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Wednesday adjectives. So long. Long, so something stretched out. Like the giraffe has a long neck. It has a long neck. It has a long neck. That is a long book. Goes on for ages and stretched out. Ooh. Yeah, those paths are long. Maybe use the short or shorter one instead. That's a long path. Yeah. Those are long pipes. Yes. Can you see those long pipes? Can you see those long pipes up on the ceiling? Maybe. Someone put the long tubes here. These long tubes here. How cool is that? Did you walk along the long path? Did you walk the long path? Oh, that must have taken ages. Why did you take the long route? The long route. Oh. Yeah, terrible. We're walking the long way back. Rather than the short way, we're going the long way. So, we wanted to buy the longer car because we could put more things in it. Yeah. How cool is that? Can you walk along the long road? Well, I have looked at the race route, and there is a long road near the start. Yeah. It is easily 3 kilometers long. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Long. So some animals have long necks. Others have long tongues. So, can you, language explorer, use long in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.